This is how you can sideload games on your Quest 3S using Sidequest. Because if you are looking to play some awesome VR titles that you just can't find on the official store page, or if they haven't been approved yet by Meta themselves, then sideloading them is the way to go. However, when you are setting it up for the first time, it can feel quite overwhelming. So we will break it down in some easy steps so that you can finally unlock all these amazing games and apps. Now, to start it off with, the first step is that we need to enable the so-called developer mode on our Meta Quest 3S, because without it, we won't be able to run Sidequest properly. So to do this, you will need a computer as well as a phone that has the Meta Horizon app on it. And don't worry, this is just needed for the initial setup. Now, to turn developer mode on, head over to your computer and go to the website named dashboard.oculus.com. And here, you want to sign up with your Meta account, but keep in mind that this is the same account that you originally also used to set up your Quest 3S. And after this, depending on the region that you're in, you might have to verify it by using one of these two methods, with the easiest and fastest way probably being the two-factor authentication. And once complete, you want to click on the big green button named Create Organization. Now here you will have to fill in a name of your own choosing, and you can really put anything here that is still available, of course, since this won't be important later, unless you plan to publish your own games, because then this will show up as your developer tag. But now that this is finished, we still have to turn on the developer mode itself. So to do this, head over to your phone and open the Meta Horizon app that you should already have installed from when you first got your VR headset. Now in here, you want to click on the three-striped icon in the bottom right corner to get to the menu overview. And here, click on the device tab to select your headset. Now do make sure that your Quest 3S headset itself is also turned on and connected to your phone, which will be indicated by a green circle around your icon. Because if not, then the headset settings will sadly be grayed out with you unable to access them. But with it all correctly set up, go and click on the settings and then head over to the new tab named developer mode. With all that is left to do is just to toggle on the function itself. However, when you do this for the first time, you will have to turn off your headset once completely and restart it before it is actually fully unlocked. And to make sure that you did it correctly, you can also check this by looking for the so-called developer tab under your system settings. And once this becomes visible in your headset, it means that you have turned it on properly. And with that, the first big step has already been completed. And we can directly move on to step 2, which is installing Sidequest. And this we can do through two different methods. First of all, you want to go back to your PC and head over to the official Sidequest website. And once here, click on the Get Sidequest tab, where you will directly see the two possible ways of downloading it. Now probably the quickest and easiest way would be to get the web installer version, since this lets you get Sidequest directly onto your headset without having to use your PC at all. However, we will be getting the advanced installer instead, since this will also unlock some extra features that can let you enhance the quality of your games, as well as let you install APKs and manage your files, and so much more. So directly find the latest updated version of Windows, or click on Show More if you're installing it on your Mac or Linux. And after your download has finished, just open it up and make sure that you now connect your Quest headset to your PC by using a USB-C cable. And if you have followed all these steps correctly so far, the 3S should now show up as a connected device with a green dot in the top left corner. But if that is not the case, then click on it to see an easy overview of what steps you still have to complete. And this often is just something as simple as allowing the debugging mode from within your Quest headset. But with everything set up correctly and the green dot there, we can finally move on to step number 3, which is sideloading your games. Now on the Sidequest website, head over to the tab named Apps and Games, because this is where you will find the entire library of VR titles for you to choose from. And of course, you can also change up the filters if you want to look for a specific genre, or perhaps just select and view the list of free games available. And once you find the one you like, you can click on it to see some more information as well. This goes from trailers to some gameplay screenshots and even some reviews of some Sidequest users. So once you have decided on an experience that is something for you, then all that is left is to click on the big download button and it will automatically start installing. Now, one thing though that a lot of people have struggles with is that after the installation is complete, they can't seem to find their games in their app library. So to get access to them, you want to look inside your apps for the so-called Unknown Sources tab. And here, you will find all the games that you just have installed. Now you just have to click on them and jump right into it. Oh, and if you find this video helpful so far, then also make sure to show it by hitting on that like button, because this lets me know to make more videos like these in the future. But getting back into it is that besides just giving you access to a massive library of games that you don't have on the official Quest store, you can also get a lot of other things with Sidequest. For example, you can install some new environments for your virtual home, because originally the Quest 3S only comes with a couple of them pre-installed, and with no direct way to actually add more to them or to even create your own. So to get these, inside the Apps and Games page on the website, you want to go to the top bar and find Custom Homes. And just like with the games beforehand, This list will show you all the cool environments that you can directly install onto your headset. And with so many options at your disposal, you are sure to find some awesome ones in here for you, because these can go from the backrooms to even a Wii Home menu and much more. But another amazing thing that you can use Sidequest for is to download and upload your files. This you can do by going to the settings in the top right corner, where you will for example find a folder to install APKs directly onto your headset. But you can also find the settings here to browse through the documents of your Quest 3S itself, which is actually a great way if you want to quickly transfer your screen recordings of your gameplay to your computer, for example. But probably the biggest feature and reason to use Sidequest is that you can also enhance the quality of your games with this for free. So to do this, you will have to find the wrench icon in the top right corner, because this is where you will find the quality and performance settings that let you upgrade your experience to the next level, with by far the most important one among them being the default texture size. And since you can upgrade this a lot, it might also be worth it to check it for yourself by switching between the lowest and the highest setting out there, just so you can see the insane difference that this actually makes. Now, besides the texture size, there are also some other settings that you can crank up. Take for example the frame rate that you can boost all the way to 120 Hz, or even a possibility to increase your CPU and GPU levels all the way to a maximum of 4, which will finally let your headset truly take advantage of that powerful Snapdragon XR2 Generation 2 chip. But do keep in mind that while all these upgrades are amazing, your battery will most likely be drained a lot quicker because of it, since this obviously will require a lot more power from your headset to be able to reach these levels of clarity. But on top of that, you will also find a lot of other cool extra features here, like a way to improve your recording settings, or even some experimental ones for things like mods in BoneLab. However, while all these things can be an absolute game changer, the only downside is that once you turn your headset off, these settings will all be reset and you will have to connect it again to your PC to be able to change them. Meaning the only solution would be either to have your headset in sleeping mode permanently, or you have to accept the task of redoing it whenever you restart it. But of course, your games will still be there, so this only goes for your quality settings. Oh, and what is also nice is that it doesn't actually only improve the quality of your games, but also your general VR experience as a whole. This goes from your VR home environment and basically everything in between. But that gets us to the final conclusion. Now, Sidequest is an awesome free VR application that can give you access to a bunch of games and apps, as well as unlocking some crazy settings that let you take full advantage of what your headset is capable of. And while the initial setup will require you to use a computer for enabling developer mode, as well as getting the advanced installer of course, you can also choose to get the web version instead that lets you use Sidequest from within your headset directly, and that without needing a PC at all. So either way, Sidequest is a must for any Quest 3S user. But that's not all, because there is also a way for you to play PC VR games like Half-Life Alyx on your Meta Quest 3S. So click on the video that you see on screen right now to make sure you don't miss out on that. And of course, stay awesome.